Good afternoon. So today's lesson, we're finishing off what we didn't have a chance to do because of mocks right at the end of half term 8. So this is the last one in Algorithms and Programming 8, where we are comparing the efficiency of different algorithms, where we want to be able to do a bubble sort on a list. Remember, a bubble sort means you look at two values and you swap them if they're not in order, and then you look at the next pair and you swap them if they're not in order, and you look at the next pair and you swap them if they're not in order, until you get all the way to the end of the first pass, at which point the value at the end is the largest value. And if you had to do any swaps, that means it might not be fully sorted yet. So you go back to the beginning and you keep comparing pairs until you can get all the way through without any swaps. You need to be able to do a binary search on a sorted list. Remember, binary search can be faster than a linear search, but it only works if the data is sorted. So remember, if this was data, it wouldn't work with a binary search because the characters are not sorted alphabetically. But if they were, you'd look at the middle one and you'd compare that middle character with what you're looking for and say, is the character I'm looking for earlier on in the alphabet or later on in the alphabet than this one? And then you'd be able to disregard half of the data, which is why it needs to be sorted. Because if it's not sorted, like it's not here, and if you're looking for the letter C and you compare it with the one in the middle, and you think, right, I'm looking for a C, I found an A, so therefore my C should be to the right of that A. Well, that's not true, because they're not in order. There might be a C over here. You need to be able to step through an algorithm with a trace table to determine what variables are at each point, and use those trace tables to be able to find and fix logic errors. So this is half term 8 CT12. Work the way through as best as you can, please, and submit to Algorithms and Programming 8 at the end of the lesson for me.